Planners, it's Tay of ShawntePlans, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'll be planning from August 10th to the 16th and using the No Decaf kit from Planning Like a Pro. On this page, we have our 8 full boxes. This kit is not foil, but I am going to be pulling in rose gold foil with this, and I think it's going to pair with the colors in this kit so beautifully. On this page, we've got our date covers. I love these boxes and these page flags here because not only is this like a third box height, which is really fantastic, but it's also thinner than the width of the column. We've got some icons, a weekend banner, scallop checklist. On this page, some beautiful bottom washi, cut washi, and deco. So cute. Lots of layering icons that I love. Printed headers, and then we've got script headers, which I don't use as much, and then also because I'm going to be pulling in some foil as well, I'm definitely not going to use those, but that's fine. We've got some sidebar stickers, including our habit trackers, Monday through Sunday tracker, and then a full box checklist, as well as a builder sticker. And then this page, so fantastic, quarter boxes, label stickers, third boxes, and half boxes, totally giving me everything I need because I love using boxes in my spreads. So let's go ahead and put some stickers on the page. If you'd like to see how this spread comes out, please just keep watching.
Starting as usual by placing down my bottom washi, and if you can see, the top strip of washi has a couple of white lines, sort of like stripes going through it, and I have these foiled lined overlays from Sadie Stickers, and so I thought that would look really cute layered on top of it and would help bring in a little bit of rose gold foil into the bottom washi area. And so I decided to use these overlays because I'm definitely pulling in rose gold foil for this spread. So once I have my bottom washi down, then I'm going to move on to my date covers, and I'm using both date covers and date dots from Rose Colored Days for this week. And I liked the date covers that were with the kit, but I kind of wanted to minimize the blue and emphasize a little bit more of the pink with this spread. That's just me. I love some pink. But I decided to go with these date covers instead, and I think they complement the kit really well. And so once I have my date covers down, I'm going to move into my sidebar. And this is why I love when kits come with deco. So I pulled one of the deco pieces, was just a little coffee cup, and placed that at the top, and then layered an August script from Rose Colored Days on top of that. Then placing down the full box, which has the quote, "Today is a fresh start." And then I put a washi strip, and I'm just building the different sections in my sidebar. I'd been tracking my work from home weeks on Mondays, but I decided to move that to my sidebar since now I am no longer having to mark school stuff in my sidebar. So I had room in my sidebar to add something else. And since I was switching things up, I thought I was going to do something different. And I put down the full box checklist instead of putting down the Monday through Sunday tracker, which is how I usually mark my dinners for the week. And I used the remember header that came with the kit because I was going to write down like happy moments or different things that happened throughout the week that I just wanted to highlight and remember. And I think it was about Wednesday when I noticed I was writing down my dinners in that box out of habit, and it wasn't until Wednesday that I noticed it, and then ended up having to put the dinner script on top of that header and just be like, okay, we're rolling with this now because I totally messed that up. Finished off my sidebar with my habit trackers, and then I am now putting down some headers from Paper Blush Bar. And I loved these headers because they had a very subtle like pink tone to them with the rose gold bows on top of it. And I thought that was nice to put across the top because the date covers were just white. And so I wanted to bring some pink to the top of the page. And then on Monday, I'm starting with a half box. That laptop sticker is from the Pretty Pink Co. And the work script is from Netty Designs, and just marking down some things I want to do for work. And Monday actually really sucked because I was not feeling well. And so actually not a bad day to be working from home because I was feeling sick, and I used a little tissue box from Crafts by Towie layered over a layering icon from the kit to mark that. On Mondays, the podcast that I listen to uploads new episodes, and so I used a bowstring box from the Giving Girl, some of the floral deco from the kit, and a podcast icon from Crafts by Towie to mark that. Then used a flourish from Honey Inked underneath there as a divider. And then I'm going to mark my workout with a sports bra from the Pretty Pink Co. And in that quarter box, I placed one of the icons from the kit to mark that I had gotten a gift from my friend Rachel, who has gathered plans on YouTube and Instagram. She sent me a really cute little graduation gift, which was so sweet. And on Tuesday, I started by putting down the full box at the bottom, and then moving up to the top, I'm using one of the label stickers from the kit, adding one of the cute little layering arrows, and then the work script from Netty Designs. I've been working on a project for work and just wanted to mark that down as what my focus was going to be for my work for that day. And then I used a half mandala from Honey Inked. Lost the word there for a moment. And then underneath there, I marked a phone call, and that telephone icon is from Planning Like a Pro, and I was so excited to use that. I've been needing like to mark a phone call ever since I got that icon, just because I'm obsessed with how cute that old school telephone is. And then I marked needing to organize my desk with a desk icon from the GP Studio. Hopped over to Wednesday, and I do this thing sometimes where I'll use deco instead of an icon, and those shoes have nothing to do with my midweek post on Instagram, but I just like the shoes. They were cute. We were having a town hall meeting at work, and I used another one of those Giving Girl Bowstrung boxes to mark that, along with a Zoom icon from Two Little Bow Babies. Her shop is Sticky Bow Babies. Moving back over to Tuesday, I used one of those Vine stickers from Honey Inked and put down one of those third boxes vertically, to mark filming a plan with me and my ballet bar workout. Then back over to Wednesday, my manager was going to be out of the office for the rest of the week, and so I marked that in a half box and used one of those crystal pin stickers from Crafts by Towie. I love those pin stickers because to me they can work for like anything work related or planning related. They're so versatile. Marked cooking dinner with an icon from the Pretty Pink Co. And then finished off Wednesday with a quarter box to mark replying to YouTube comments. I started adding some little butterflies from Netty Designs just as like decorative elements to fill in some spaces on Wednesday and Tuesday. And then on to Thursday. I put down the bow headers from Paper Blush Bar for Thursday through Sunday, and then I am putting down another third box vertically to mark some things for work. And so I'm doing a little bit of layering here. I'd cut one of those doilies from Honey Inked into fourths. It comes in a half, and I cut the half in half, and so I had a fourth of a doily, and then layered the script again from Netty Designs over one of the circle layering icons from the kit. And now I'm going and just scattering the rest of the full boxes for the second half of the week, and definitely my preference to putting them into some sort of a pattern. I like having them just sort of kind of randomly scattered around the page. And then on Thursday, I was watching a YouTube video from Planner Girl Meek, and she started singing in her video. She has an amazing voice, and she started singing this Whitney Houston song, and which just got me going. And I was just like, oh my God, because I love Whitney Houston. So then I was just listening to a bunch of Whitney Houston songs after I finished watching her Plan With Me video. Underneath there, I used another third box to mark replying to YouTube comments. I have got some serious catching up to do. You guys are so sweet and amazing, and I appreciate your patience with me because I am really backed up on replying to comments. But anyways, on to Friday. Started by using a half box to mark something else for work, and then I put down a washi strip and one of those sticker icons from Crafts by Towie to mark a sticker sale. There were several sticker sales happening on Friday. It was crazy. I went shopping crazy and had a blast, but there were so many new releases. And then my husband and I decided to have a date night on Friday, which we started by doing a workout together. And we don't generally work out together. Usually we work out separately, but we did a workout together that night. And then we had just like a DiGiorno pizza. It's not delivery, it's DiGiorno. And just kind of relaxed, watched TV. And then we were looking at different homes and things on Zillow and just like talking and stuff. So it was a really fun kind of chill night. And then on Saturday, I slept in, and that was very nice. And I'm marking that with some PJs from Crafts by Towie, and then that sleep in script is from Kinsey's Creation. Underneath there, I'm using a third box, and that tripod icon is from Artbox Stickers to mark filming and editing a haul video, which will be coming for you guys very soon. Then I'm going to add just a few more of those butterflies from Netty Designs to add some deco to some different areas on the spread. Putting down a washi strip and then using some more of the floral deco and this Amazon icon from the Pretty Pink Co. to mark shopping for my best friend, her mom, who is like a second mom to me. My mama Emily, her birthday is on Sunday, and so I wanted to place an order for a gift to be delivered to her, which again, I think I said this in my last plan with me. I'm terrible with birthdays, and I absolutely should have remembered that her birthday was coming and not have had to order a gift at the last minute. But shout out to Amazon and their very quick delivery for saving me. I finished Saturday by using a quarter box to mark painting my nails, and then on to Sunday, I'm starting by placing down a half box, and I layered that cute little chair icon from Crafts by Towie to mark binging YouTube videos, because so many great videos go up on Sundays. It's always awesome. You can just sit and relax and enjoy a bunch of Plan With Me's. And then I used the other half of that half doily that I'd cut and layered some of the deco from the kit to mark my Plan With Me going live, which is this Plan With Me that you're watching right now. Underneath the half box, or excuse me, the full box, I put down another one of those pen dividers from Honey Inked, and then used a half box to mark cleaning just around the house, the bathroom and the kitchen, you know, weekly chores, and finished up by marking a bar workout for Sunday evening. Nope, actually one more thing. I decided to swap out that bow divider for a flourish from Honey Inked. And that completes this spread for this week. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you're having an amazing day and staying safe. I'll see you next video. Bye.